Good day to you all. Today we're going to create a VMware image. I'm just going to show you fast how to do this. It is a very simple process, and yeah, you will see that it's a great feature. So here we go. This is my subscription. We first need a resource group to put this in. So I'm going to create it here. This is a VM image. So now the virtual machine name is my VM. So where do I want it? I want it in the north of Europe. That's where I reside. Which image do I want? It's Windows 10. I want the standard with 2 CPUs, 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is what I normally choose because that performs a little bit. Then I need a username and I need a password. So I already created one in my application. Then I want to open the RDP port for outside so I can get on the server from my workstation. I say here, well, the rest yeah, I could choose a normal hard disk instead of premium storage. It will save some money, I think. So let's review and create this virtual machine. Here it warns that the VMware port is open. Here it tells me how much it will cost me per hour, which is not a whole lot. So now the validation is passed. I can create the virtual machine. This will take a while, so I'll get back to you when this process is done. Okay, if I look now in my resource groups, there is the VM image that I just created. My virtual machine is up and running. So let's now connect to it. I'm going to do it like this, RDP. It's going to download the RDP file, and I can directly connect to my virtual machine with my user. So it will ask me some questions, and I'll get back to you when I log in. So we're inside the virtual machine now. Here in the top you can see my the IP that I have. So let's customize this VM a little bit and then make an image of it. So I've customized my image now with Google Chrome, and that's all I'm going to put on there just for the demonstration point purposes. Now what I'm going to do is stop my virtual machine. I do not want to reserve this IP address. It's not useful for now. Okay, my virtual machine now is stopped. So what I do now is go to capture, and here we will start creating an image from this virtual machine. So after creating this image, the virtual machine will not be useful. We cannot use the virtual machine anymore. So I'm going to delete the image after creation. Where do in what gallery do I want the image to be created? I will do it in my images. And what's the target definition of the image? That will be Windows 10. Here we need a version number 0.0.1. Here I need a date until what time I want to keep this image. Well, for me it's a week. It doesn't really matter for me at this moment. And then yeah, we can review and create here. See if everything is filled out correctly. Well, the validation is passed, so I will create the image. And this will take some time, so I'll get back when this deployment is done. Okay, we're back. As you can see, my deployment has succeeded here. and the virtual machine was successfully deleted. However, it didn't delete everything, so I still have to remove some parts of it, the disk, the virtual network, and the IP, public IP, and those kind of things. So just hit here, delete. I have to answer here, yes. And this is what I want to delete. Then only my images will stay here. So if I go in here to Windows 10, this is my image, the 00.1. From here, I can create a new virtual machine with all the preset settings that I've done in my virtual machine. Of course, I just installed Chrome, so it's not that important, but you can imagine if you have a school workplace to roll out images, virtual images in the cloud, where you want to work with your company or whatever uh, application you can think of. Uh, yeah, this is a really, really useful feature because you can roll this out as many times as you want. And the thing is, when you don't need it, you can just delete your virtual machines and keep the image. And yeah, you still have your preset values. You just pay for the storage on Azure. And yeah, this will have a great cost benefit for your organization. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please leave some comments and